Hey everybody, we're here at C2E2 2023 at the Paint and Take Arena, sponsored by Thunderforge Studios. I'm Rick, I'm the owner of Thunderforge Studios, and what we're doing is we're providing an opportunity for the attendees to come and paint miniatures for free. The different companies that make miniatures for games like Dungeons & Dragons, Battletech, Dead Zone, all sorts of different games, provided a bunch of miniatures for us so that they can come in, grab a miniature, have a seat, paint the miniature, and possibly even learn more about the hobby of painting and the games that those miniatures come from. It's just a really good way to interact with the community and get them involved in something they didn't really know existed. They can expect a really high quality miniature from the different companies that provided them, from Dungeons & Dragons, all sorts of cool lines, right? They can expect some paint that they may not have ever used before from companies like Turbo Dork, the Army Painter, Vallejo, Monument Hobbies, which are some high-end paints for miniature painting, because a lot of people don't know that there are different types of paints out there for hobby, craft, all sorts of stuff. Using different brushes and learning some techniques from my staff that are here to answer any questions like, how do you do a dry brush, or what's this detail brush for, and why is this one called the Psycho? So this is our first major convention. We're going to be doing this at New York Comic Con as well, and there are some other smaller conventions we're going to be hitting between now and then. But I usually do this at like friendly local game stores or other local venues around my town in Lansing, Michigan. Yeah, I think something for anybody that watches this, if you're at a convention or if you're at your friendly local game store and you haven't picked up a miniature and given it some paint to it, pick one up, give it a shot. Your first one isn't going to be great, and that's okay. But your 10th one is going to be better than your first, and your 20th is going to be better than your 10th. It's a constant improvement. It's a good form of art. It's a good way to interact with all ages. So if you are looking for an activity for your kids or with your family in general or friends, painting miniatures is awesome for that. You can find us at Thunderforge Studios on Facebook. That's the best place to find us, and or at a local con, hopefully near you.